Today we'll be going through Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics US 04441 May June 2020. Question number 1. A rectangle A measures 3 cm by 8 cm. So 5 rectangles congruent to A are joined to make a shape, this one. Work out the perimeter of the shape. So this side is 8, so it will be 8. This side also 8, 8, 8, 8, and 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 8 will be this one. Plus this side is 3, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times, and this is also basically okay, so 6 times 3 I will write like this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this is 3 basically, and 8 minus 3 will be 5, so this is half of 5 will be 2.5, so 2.5, this will also be 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, this is 2.5, and this will also be 2.5. So 2.5 portions are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 portions. So 8 into 2.5, these will be the total, basically the areas, which the lengths which we have to add up. So this will be 8 into 6 will be 48, and this will be 18, plus this one will be 2.5, so this will be 16, 16 plus 4 will be 20. So this one we can add, this will be 16, 6, and this will be 3, 4 and 4, 8, so 86 will be the total measurement of this. So 86 centimeters will be our answer. Find the highest odd number, that is factor of 60 and factor of 90. So factors of 60 we can write like 1, 2, 3, 4 also, then 5, 6, and 8 is not factor, then 9, 10 will be the factor, 11, 12 will be the factor, 12, 13, 14, 15 will be the factor, then 20 and 30 and 60 basically these. Then similarly we can write factors of 90, which will be 1, 2, 3 and 5 also, 6 also, 7, 8, 9 also, 10 also, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 also, and there will be others, but this will be the odd number which is the maximum, so we will write 15 odd number. 15 is basically the maximum odd number which is factor of both. Others will not be factor of this. Now this is question number 3. Mrs. Salaman gives her class 2 mathematics tests, test 2, test 1. So they have drawn this scatter diagram showing information about the marks each student scored. Write down the highest mark scored on test 1. So on test 1, highest mark scored is like, for example, up to around like 69. We can write this one around 66 will be the highest scored marks on test 1. Test 1 will be this one. So if we check, highest scored reference will be over here. For this one we can draw line also like this. So this will be the reference, which is 62, 64, 66. So our answer will be 66. write down the type of correlation shown in the scatter diagram. So it is right side is up. Basically this is the trend of this graph, so it is positive correlation, so we can write positive correlation. Then draw a line of best fit on the scatter diagram. To draw a line of best fit, we can rotate the page and we can draw a line of best fit like this one, like roughly passing through the middle and having imbalance like half of the points up and down. After drawing this one, this is always a range, not a exact answer. Hamish scores a mark of 40 on test 1. He was absent on test 2. So for 40 for test 1 will be this reference which we can check from here. This will be up to 40, and this side also we can check the estimated score. This will be 46, 42, 44. This will be 45, so 46 we can write like 46. This reference will be 46, so our answer will be 46 over here. Hopefully you got this. Then question number 4. A bag contains blue, red, yellow and green balls only. The ball is taken from the bag at random. The table shows some information about the probabilities, and probabilities are given, and as we know the sum of the probabilities is 1, so this will be adding up to what we can add them and subtract from 1. So 0.43, 0.2 and 0.15 we have to add them. So this will be 8, this will be 6 and 7.0, so it will be 0.22. So 1 minus 0.78 will be equal to 0.22. So this will be our answer, 0.22. We can write over here. Abdul takes a ball at random and replaces it in the bag. He does this 200 times. Find how many times he expected to take a red ball. Probability for red is 0.2, so 0.2 will be multiplied by 200. So 200 times we can remove this decimal by 10, so this will be gone, so this will be equal to 40. So answer will be 40 times. Question number 5. The nth term of a sequence is this one. Find the largest number in this sequence. So largest number can be like, for example, if we take like the positive number, that will be n is equal to 1. So 60 minus 8 into n is equal to 1. This will be 60 minus 8. 60 minus 8. This will be equal to 52. So 52 will be the largest number in this sequence. Then here are the first 5 terms of a different sequence. Find an expression for nth term of this sequence. So we'll be finding the difference between these two terms. 19 minus 12 will be 7, and 26 minus 19 is also 7. This is also resulting to 7 difference, so it will be 7 into n. If we replace n is equal to 1, we will be getting 7, but we need 12, so we'll be adding 5 to this one. So this will be our nth term formula, 7n plus 5. This is done. Now question number 6. The diagram shows a trapezoid. Now work out the value of x. So value of x we have to find. Diagram is not to scale. So we know that this angle and this angle, or these two are parallel, right? So these angles will be adding up to 180 degrees. So we can write 92 minus 3x plus 70 plus 5x, and this should add up to 180 degrees. So this will be 2x. 2x is equal to 180 degree minus this 92 plus 70 will be 162. So this will be equal to 870, so 18, so this will be 18, 2x is equal to 18, this implies x is equal to 9, so value of x will be equal to 9. Hopefully you got this. Then using this information to write this as a product of prime factors, so they have given this detail, we have to write this as prime factors. So we can use these two numbers, basically 2, 3, 4, we can write it 2 into 3 squared into 13, and for this one we can write this, which is 2 raised to power 4 into 3 raised to power 2 into 13. And now we can combine this, basically 2 raised to power 4 and 2 will be 2 raised to the power 5, and 3 raised to power 2 and 3 raised to power 2 will be 3 raised to power 4, and 13 into 13 will be 13 square, so we can write 2 raised to power 5 into 3 raised to power 4 into 13 square. This will be our answer. Question number 8, work out this fraction we have to solve. Give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. So 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 will be 7, 7 by 3 minus this will be 7 over 8 and multiply by 6 over 25. Now we can equalize, basically or we can take LCM of these two. This will be 24, so 8 3 8s are 24, so 8 7s are 56, and minus this will be 8 3s are 24, so 3 7s are 3 7s are 21, so into 6 over 25. And further we can write this 56 minus 21 will be 35 divided by 24 into 6 over 25, and we can cancel this. 6 4s are 25, 6 1s are 6, and 5 5s are 25, and 5 7s are 35. So 7 into 1 will be 7 1s are 7, over this will be 20, so answer will be 7 over 20. Hopefully you got this. Now factorize completely, we have to take the maximum common. So 7 we can take out, a also we can take out, so it will be 3a plus this will be 4b, and our answer will be over here at proper place, 7a into 3a plus 4b. Now in this one we have to take basically 5 common, so inside will be 4x squared minus 9y squared, and further we can write it as basically 2x whole squared and minus 3y whole squared. This will be a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b, so we can write this one 5 into 2x plus 3y and 2x minus 3y, so our answer will be over here to 2x plus 3y and 2x minus 3y. This will be our final answer for this part. Question number 10, diagram is provided which is not to scale, and point A, B, C, D, E and F lie on the circle. Center is O. Find the value of x on the and the value of y. So x and y values are required basically. So what we can do, we can find this is required y and this is required x. So this one, this is angle at a center from this arc A to B. This is AOB, which is angle at a center, and this is angle from on the same arc subtended to the circumference. So this is basically half of this one, so angle basically x will be equal to half of 110 divided by 2, which is equal to 55 degrees. So this angle will be 55 degrees, and we require y also, and from this arc ED we can take this angle and this angle, basically both are on this arc, So this is 24. So top angles will be same. So this will also be 24. So we can write here as 24 degrees. Now question number 11. This is a cumulative frequency diagram, basically distance time graph. Distance time graph is given. Diagram shows the distance traveled by a cyclist during the first 100 seconds of her journey. Work out her average speed. So average speed we have to calculate. So distance covered in 100 seconds is 320. So 320 divided by 100. So meters per second. So this will be 3.2 meters per second. So we can write here 3.2 meter per second is already there. Find an estimate of the speed of the cyclist 60 seconds after she started. So after she started, 60 second is this one. So estimate, we can check reference from here, and that reference is up to this one. So 80 and 1 2 3 4 5. So this will be up to middle will be 100, and this will be like 100, and average speed there. Find the estimate basically. So basically at 60 they are asking for the speed. So in case of distance time graph, we know the gradient of the graph is giving the speed, so we can draw the gradient over here, basically tangent. So tangent will be like this one. So if we check from here, we can consider triangle up to further also we can extend, like for example we can further extend a little over here. So it's okay, we can use this from here. We can use this triangle. So we are using basically this whole triangle we are using, and this side will be the rise value. Rise value will be up to this one, which is 160 and 180, around 170. This side is around 170, and run will be what? Run will be from 30 to 80 will be 50. So 170 divided by 50. So we can write 170 divided by 50. So 170 divided by 50 will be what? We can cancel this, and this will be the gradient. So we can rise, this is equal to rise over run basically, and 17 divided by 5 will be 17. So 5 3s are 15 and 2, so points, so it will be 4. So this will be 3.4. So 3.4 will be the meter per second will be the speed. So we found by the gradient method. Question number 12. This is numbers are provided. The list shows 10 test scores. Find the mode. Mode will be most occurring or most repeating. Number is basically 19 is repeating 2 times, so we can write here 19, and the median will be the middle number, but we have to arrange them first. So first we will arrange the smallest number is 10, so we will write here 10. Then we will cut this one. So 11 is 1, so 11. Next number will be 11 is gone. 12, so 12 is also gone. 13 is 2 times, so 13 and 13. Then 14 and 15 is also there. The next number will be basically 19 is 3 times. 1, 2, 3 times. That's why this is mode. So this will be 19, 19 and 19. Now we'll be checking for the median 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So middle 2 we will be checking. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the middle 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 13 plus 14 divided by 2 will be 13.5. So 13.5 will be the median value. Question number 13. This diagram is provided, which is not to scale. This is the C lies on the circle. C is on the circle with diameter AD. Diameter is AD. B lies on AC. B is on AC. And E lies on AD. So E is on AD, such that BE is parallel to CD. BE is parallel to CD. AB is equal to 12. This is 12. CD is equal to also 12. And BE is equal to 9 centimeters. Work out the radius of the circle. The radius of the circle is basically starting from this one to this one. If, for example, if this is O, so it will be OD, or OA, this will be the radius. Or we can find the diameter, and half of diameter will be the radius. So what we can do, we know this is 90 degree because this is triangle in a semicircle, which is 90 degree. And first of all, we can we can find this angle by considering this smaller triangle. So we will find this angle, and this is opposite over adjacent. So in triangle ABE, so we write in triangle ABE. We can apply Pythagoras theorem to solve this one. We can consider first this triangle, and we have one side, we have this side, we can find this side. So we will be finding this one. So first we will be applying on this smaller triangle. We will find this side, and this will be 12 square plus 9 square in triangle ABC, ABE, basically A, B and E. Triangle, this one Pythagoras theorems we will be applying. So AE will be equal to 12 squared plus 9 squared, and this will be 144 plus basically 81 under root. This will be 100. This will be 5. This will be 2, and this one also 225 under root, and 225 under root will be, this will be basically equal to 15. So this side is 15. AE is basically 15. Now we can use similar triangles ABE and ACD. These are two similar triangles, so we can check the ratio basically. So K is equal to 9 is changing to 12, so we can write 12 over 9. This will be the ratio. So the same thing we will be basically applying on this side, which is 15. So AE ratio AD will be AE multiplied by 12 over 9, and which is equal to 15. So 15 into 12 over 9. This will be 3 3s are 9, and 3 5s are 15, and 3 4s are 12. So this will be equal to 20. This is basically 20, which is complete length AD, not this is AD, and we know that AD is equal to 2 times radius. So R will be equal to 20 divided by 2, which is equal to 10. So our answer will be 10 over here. This is done. Now question number 14, which is functions question. F of x is given, g of x is also provided. We have to find f of g of x is equal to this, and find the value of p. So first we will take the g of x. This value and we will write f of g of x. So g of x is this one, we will replace in this, so this will be equal to 4 into x we will replace by this 5x minus 4 and plus this 3, and if we open this will be 20x minus 16 plus 3, which is equal to 20x minus, this will be minus 13. So p value is basically equal to 13, basically minus 13. So minus 13 will be the answer. Then they are saying b part, h of x is equal to 5x minus 1 over 3, find h inverse of x. So y is equal to 5x minus 1 over 3, and we can make x subject, so 3y is equal to 5x minus 1, so it means 3y plus 1 is equal to 5x. So 3y plus 1 over 5 is equal to x. Now we can swap basically, so this will be 3x plus 1 over 5 is equal to y, which is f inverse of x, and this will be our answer, 3x plus 1 over 5. Question number 15, diagram is provided which is not to scale. QRS are points on the circle, QS is the diameter, so QS is diameter, AB is tangent to the circle Q, angle BQR is equal to x. Show that the angle QSR, which is this one, QSR is equal to x degrees. Give a reason for each step of your working. So we can see this is basically the triangle in a semicircle, so this will be, angle will be 90 degree. So we can write here angle SRQ is equal to 90 degrees, and we can write here angle in a semicircle, and then we can write this angle, basically angle SQR. Angle SQR is equal to 90 minus x, because this is total is 90 degree, right? So tangent, we can write the reason, which is tangent angle between tangent and radius, 90 degrees. This one reason we have provided. Now we can write, this is basically 90 minus x, and this is 90 degree, this is 90 minus x, so 180 minus, we can write angle QRS, angle QSR will be equal to 180 minus 90 minus x, which is equal to 180 minus 90, and this will be plus x. So this will be this one plus 90 degree, basically this one. So this will be 180 minus 180 is equal to x, which is equal to x. This will be cancelled, so this will be x in degrees. Now they are saying, question number 16, m varies inversely as the square of this one. So m varies inversely as square of p minus 1. So this implies m is equal to k over p minus 1 square. When p is equal to 4, m is equal to 5. So m is equal to 5 is equal to k over 4 minus 1 squared, which is equal to k over, this will be 3 squared will be 9, so k is equal to 45. So after this one we have to find m when p is equal to 2. So this 45 we will replace in this, we will get m is equal to 45 over p minus 1 squared. So we have to find m when p is equal to 2. So 45 over 2 minus 1 squared. So 1 squared, so it will be equal to 45. So answer will be 45. Hopefully you got this. So question number 17, m is given, we have to find 3m. So 3 into 5 over 7 will be equal to 15 and 21. So this will be our answer. Then the magnitude of the vector p over 12 is 13. Find the position vector of p. So we have to find the position vector of p. So we can write x coordinate square plus y coordinate square is equal to this 13 squared, and this is basically distance formula. So we can write p square is equal to 13 square will be 169 minus 12 square will be 144, and this will be basically equal to 25. So p will be equal to 5. So answer will be 5. Hopefully you got this. Then b part is vector question. Diagram is not to scale. These two are vectors. This is p, this is q. OABC is a parallelogram. OA is equal to P, OC is equal to Q. E is midpoint of AB. This is midpoint of AB. Find OE in terms of PQ. So we will be drawing the position vector of E, which is this one. So we have to find OE will be this direction. So first we have to find AB. AB will be this direction. So we can start from A. This is minus P plus Q. This will also be P. So this is basically, this is Q. So this will also be Q this side. And this is Q by 2. This is Q by 2. So we can take this root P plus Q by 2. So we can write here P plus Q by 2. What we can do, we can write another step, like for example OE is equal to OA plus AE, and this is equal to this one. So this is OE is equal to P plus Q by 2, or we can write P plus 1 by 2Q. We can write in this format as well. This is done. Now question number 18, we have to solve this one. Simplify this, and this one, how we can simplify, we can write it as 25 multiplied by 10 under root, and plus this one we can write 4 into 10 under root, basically 4 into 10 under root, like this. And now this 25 under root we can write 5 under root 10, plus this will be 2 under root 10, and we can take under root 10 common. So inside will be 5 plus 2, which is 7. So this is equal to 7 under root 10. This will be our final answer. Now they are saying this one, the diagram shows a solid cuboid. Question number 19, solid cuboid A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H of length. Length is 30 centimeter, width is 5 centimeter, and the volume of the cuboid is provided. The total surface area of cuboid is required. First we will find the height. We know that volume is equal to length into width into height, so we can write it as basically 30 into 5 into h. So the volume will be equal to 600 will be equal to 150 h. So h will be equal to 600 divided by 150. So this will be gone, this will be 4. So h is equal to 4 centimeters. So height is equal to 4 centimeters. Now after finding height, we can find the total surface area. First of all, we'll be finding the base area, which is this one base area and top. So it will be 30 into 5, so 30 into 5 multiplied by 2, so top and bottom. And now this cross section area will be 4 into 5, and this will also be multiplied by 2 because this side will also be there, so opposite sides. Now front and back are remaining, and this will be height multiplied by 30, so plus 2 into 4 into 34 into 30, and this one we can separate with the line, and we can simplify this. This will be basically surface area, so this will be 2 into 150 plus this will be 20 into 2 will be 40, and this will be 2 into 120, and further we can write this one as 340, and this one will be 240, and now we can basically add them. This will be 580 centimeter square. 580 centimeter square will be the answer for this one. Question number 20, simplify this expression. So what we can do, we can add the basically we have to take common from here and factorize this. So we can write numerator as x minus 8 and minus a we can take common, so inside will be x minus 8, and the denominator we can write it as xn minus 8 xn minus 7x, so plus 56. So this one, next we can write x minus 8, and this will be basically 1 minus a, 1 we can take common from here, so this will be denominator we can write x common, so this one will be x square basically, so it will be x into x minus 8 and minus 7 common, so x minus 8, this one also, so this will be x minus 8 and 1 minus a divided by x minus 8 into x minus 7, this will be gone, so answer we can write 1 minus a over x minus 7, this will be basically the final answer, 1 minus a over x minus 7, this will be our final answer. Question number 21, the area of a regular hexagon with side length 8 centimeter is this one. Find the value of k. Basically rough drawing of hexagon, if we draw, this will be a regular hexagon will be like this one. So if we split into triangles, this will be like this one. So there will be basically 1 2 3 4 5 6 triangles, and each side is basically 8 centimeters, which is given regular hexagon. So and this side is also 8. If we consider only one triangle is like, for example, this one. So this angle is 60, this angle is 60, this angle is also 60, this side is 8, this side is 8, this side is 8. So we can apply area for triangle. If we find area of one triangle and multiply it by 6, we will get area of this hexagon. So it will be 6 times area of this. 6 times area of this one is what? Area of triangle, we know formula 1 by 2 into these two sides. Basically this is 8 into 8 and multiply by sine of angle, so sine of 60 degree, and this is done. So we'll have to find this. So it will be cancelled, 2 3s are 6, so 3 into 8 will be 24, So we can write it as 24 into 8. Sine 60 degree is what? Under root 3 by 2. So this one, and now we can cancel this 2 by this. This will be 12. 12 into 8 will be 96 under root 3. And if we compare this one, K will be 96 value. Hopefully you got this. We are done with the paper. Hopefully you understood each and everything. I'll be waiting for your comments. Don't forget to subscribe Maths TV. Also press bell icon for your future videos. You will be getting notification. Recommend this channel to your friends and class fellows. Also introduce this channel to your respected teachers. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.